Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 assets you need to buy to build serious wealth by 2025. Now, I'm not talking about getting rich quick schemes. This is about making smart strategic investments that will set you up for long-term financial success. We're going to cover everything from real estate to the S&P 500, so buckle up and let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with the cornerstone of any solid financial plan, a diversified investment portfolio. Think of this as your financial safety net, your wealth-building machine that works for you 24/7. Now, diversification is key here. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket, right? Instead, we're going to spread your investments across different asset classes. This could include stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative investments like cryptocurrency. The goal is to reduce your risk. When one asset class isn't performing well, others can pick up the slack. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. By diversifying, you're setting yourself up for consistent long-term growth. Let's be real, they're not making more land, right? That's why real estate has always been a go-to for building wealth. And no, you don't need to be a millionaire to get started. Rental properties are a fantastic way to generate passive income. Imagine having money flow into your account every month without lifting a finger. That's the power of real estate. But hey, maybe being a landlord isn't your thing. No worries. You can still tap into the real estate market through REITs, or real estate investment trusts. These are like little slices of ownership in income-producing properties like shopping malls or apartment buildings. You invest in the REIT and they handle the day-to-day operations. It's a win-win. Cryptocurrency, the future of finance? Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, cryptocurrency. It's a term that's been buzzing around for years, but what does it really mean? And more importantly, what does it mean for the future of finance? Look, I know it can seem intimidating, but trust me, it's not as complicated as it sounds. At its core, cryptocurrency is just a new form of money. But unlike traditional money, it's digital and operates on a technology called blockchain. Cryptocurrency is essentially digital money that operates on a decentralized network, meaning it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. This decentralization is one of its most revolutionary aspects. This has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about money. Imagine a world where you can send money to anyone, anywhere, instantly, and with minimal fees. That's the promise of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the big players in the game right now. Bitcoin, created in 2009, was the first cryptocurrency and remains the most well-known. Ethereum, launched in 2015, introduced the concept of smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. Bitcoin is like the digital gold, a store of value that's limited in supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins, which makes it a deflationary asset. This scarcity is one reason why many people see Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation. Ethereum, on the other hand, is like the Internet of money, powering a whole ecosystem of decentralized applications. These applications, or dApps, can do everything from lending and borrowing money to creating and trading digital art. Now, I'm not saying to go all in on crypto, but having a small percentage of your portfolio dedicated to this emerging asset class could pay off big time in the long run. Diversification is key in any investment strategy, and cryptocurrency offers a unique opportunity to diversify beyond traditional assets like stocks and bonds. Moreover, the adoption of cryptocurrency is growing. More and more businesses are starting to accept Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as payment. There are even ATMs where you can buy and sell Bitcoin. This growing acceptance is a sign that cryptocurrency is here to stay. Of course, like any investment, cryptocurrency comes with risks. Prices can be highly volatile and the regulatory environment is still evolving. It's important to do your own research and understand what you're investing in. But despite these risks, the potential rewards are significant. Cryptocurrency represents a new frontier in finance, one that could fundamentally change the way we think about and use money. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just curious about the future of finance, it's worth paying attention to this exciting and rapidly evolving space. Tech stocks riding the wave of innovation. The tech industry is booming, and there's no sign of it slowing down anytime soon. From Silicon Valley to tech hubs around the world, innovation is at an all-time high. Companies are racing to develop the next big thing, whether it's in artificial intelligence, cloud computing, or cutting-edge consumer electronics. This relentless drive for progress is creating a fertile ground for investors. Investing in tech stocks is like investing in the future. These companies are not just participating in the market, they are shaping it. They are the architects of tomorrow, building the infrastructure and tools that will define the next generation. When you invest in tech stocks, you're essentially betting on the future of technology and its ability to solve problems and create new opportunities. Think about it. Companies like Apple, Amazon, and Google are constantly innovating, creating new products and services that are changing the world. Apple, with its sleek devices and ecosystem, has revolutionized personal technology. Amazon has transformed the way we shop and consume media. Google, with its search engine and suite of services, has become an integral part of our daily lives. These companies are not just resting on their laurels, they are continually pushing the envelope, exploring new frontiers like autonomous vehicles, virtual reality, and renewable energy. Their commitment to innovation ensures that they remain at the forefront of their respective industries, making them attractive investments for those looking to capitalize on technological advancements. And as their profits grow, so too does the value of their stock. The financial performance of these tech giants has been nothing short of impressive. Year after year, they report record revenues and profits, which in turn drives up their stock prices. This growth is not just a short-term trend, it's a reflection of their ability to innovate and adapt in a rapidly changing world. Now, I'm not saying to go chasing after every hot new tech stock that pops up. The tech sector can be volatile, and not every company will be a winner. It's important to approach tech investing with a strategy. Diversification is key, as is a thorough understanding of the companies you're investing in. Look for those with solid fundamentals, a strong business model, and a proven track record of success. It's important to do your research and invest in companies with solid fundamentals and a proven track record of success. This means looking at their financial statements, understanding their business model, and keeping an eye on industry trends. Don't just follow the hype, make informed decisions based on data and analysis. But if you're looking for potential for explosive growth, tech stocks are definitely worth considering. The tech sector offers unique opportunities for those willing to take calculated risks. With the right approach, investing in tech stocks can be a rewarding way to ride the wave of innovation and potentially achieve significant financial gains. Education and skills development, your most valuable asset. Listen, all the investments we've talked about so far are great, but the best investment you can ever make is in yourself. This isn't just a cliché. It's a fundamental truth that transcends industries and professions. When you invest in your own education and skills, you're essentially investing in your future earning potential and career growth. That's right. Investing in your education and skills is like investing in your earning potential. Think about it. The more knowledgeable and skilled you are, the more opportunities you have to advance in your career, switch to a more lucrative field, or even start your own business. The possibilities are endless. In today's rapidly changing job market, it's more important than ever to stay ahead of the curve. Technology is evolving at a breakneck pace, and industries are constantly being disrupted. To remain competitive, you need to be proactive about your learning and development. This means continuously updating your skills and staying informed about the latest trends and advancements in your field. Whether it's taking online courses, attending industry conferences, or enrolling in certification programs, there are numerous ways to enhance your skill set. Online platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer a plethora of courses on a wide range of topics, allowing you to learn at your own pace and convenience. Or simply reading books and articles, you can gain valuable insights and knowledge that can set you apart from your peers. Books, industry journals, and reputable websites are treasure troves of information that can help you stay ahead in your career. There are countless ways to expand your knowledge and skill set. Networking with industry professionals, joining professional associations, and participating in workshops and seminars can also provide you with valuable learning experiences and opportunities to grow. And the best part is, the more you learn, the more valuable you become to potential employers. Employers are always on the lookout for individuals who are committed to their personal and professional growth. By continuously improving yourself, you demonstrate your dedication and drive, making you a more attractive candidate for promotions and new job opportunities. So don't neglect this crucial aspect of building wealth. Your education and skills are the foundation upon which you can build a successful and fulfilling career. The time and effort you invest in learning and development will pay off in the long run, both financially and personally. Invest in yourself and watch your earning potential soar. Remember, the journey of self-improvement is a lifelong one and the rewards are immeasurable. So take that first step today and commit to making yourself your most valuable asset. Start building your financial future today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Remember, building wealth takes time and effort, but by focusing on these 5 key assets, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these assets are you most excited to invest in? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video.